Hey guys, Pierre here. I'm just gonna give you a bit of a shop tour here at Restoration Design. So we've got about 50,000 square feet of operating space, and this right here is our warehouse. We hold the majority of our tooling in here. All our tooling is made in-house. We've got a full machine shop. You'll see that a little bit later. It's our fab shop right in there. This is all our parts inventory. So we got 914, 911, 356. Some injection molding for our wiring department, doing grommets and sheathing and tubing for your engine bay. A little bit of our assembly area right here. More tooling. Here's more of a fab shop right here. Welding, laser cutting. This is our 200-ton press right here. More tooling, more tooling, more tooling. This is a 200-ton press, another 250-ton press. We got our big workhorse here, 500 tons. 600 tons. We got our 5-axis laser right here, guys. Everything is laser cut to ensure the quality and repeatability. We're just entering the machine shop now. We got 5 big vertical mills to help build all our tooling. Little CNC lathe right here. Helps us turn all our studs and small components that we're welding on suspension pans and seatbelt mounts, stuff like that. We got our flat laser right here, helps us to trim all our blanks for the presses. This is kind of where it all starts right here with our big uncoiling line. Big coils, this is how we buy all our steel right here. Then they get on our uncoiling line, we cut it, goes to the laser, then to the press, then to the 5-axis, then to the shelf, guys. Buy your parts at Restoration Design.